Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. As a university student or a researcher, there is a standard procedure you need to follow for report writing. This grants your reports or paper the credibility and professionalism it needs to be accepted in the academic world. So, some key elements in the writings can catch the attention of your audience and make you a respected researcher or student. These elements are reference and citation. The main difference between reference and citation is that reference is the list of sources that you used in your research paper, assignment, or articles and mention them towards the end of your writing. First, we need to understand, what is reference? Reference can be understood as the list of items which you have read and considered in your piece of work. While providing references, the author actually tells its readers about what kind of source he has used in the document. You can find references at the end of the document or article, by the first or main author's last name. In the citation, the author cites or refer to the source in the text to represent that the information is derived from an external source and to mention that source. Citation is like a credit to the author, editor or publisher, for their work and to help the readers in consulting the same source when they want more information in this regard. While citing the source of information in the document, you indicate the last name of author and year of publication. So, in this video, we are going to talk about the differences between citation and reference. So, the difference between citation and reference can be drawn clearly on the following grounds. Meaning, a reference list is nothing but a list of resources which you have used particularly for writing your article or assignment and also while performing the research. On the other hand, citation can be understood as a formal abbreviated reference, in the main part of your text, which clearly and uniquely identifies the author and publication year, from which the details are derived. With the help of reference, the reader gets to know about the complete source of information, as against, in the case of citation, you inform your readers about the source, from where the information is extracted. Purpose. References are mainly used to support or critique an argument or point. Conversely, citations are mainly used to show the source of the material taken. Place in text. References are mentioned at the end of the writings while citations are mentioned in the body of your writings. Information. When it comes to information, the reference provides more information than citation. A reference provides all the details of the source, such as author's name, the title of the book, date of publication and page number, whereas in citation provides a few details only such as year of publication and last name of the author. Includes. Writing a reference includes the name of the author, the title of the publication or book, page number. Writing a citation includes the name of the author, page number, or publication date. Objectives. The purpose of a reference is to support your point or argument in your article, whereas the purpose of a citation is to indicate the resource you have taken the information from. Alright, both of these elements strengthen your work and build your reputation among your peers from a novice researcher to an expert researcher. So, having a deep knowledge about these tiny details sets you apart in your field from other researchers. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.